Did you know that a simple exercise like the lunge can totally transform your body in just 30 days? It's true. Lunges are amazing for building strength and boosting your fitness. They work lots of muscles at the same time, making them a super efficient workout. You might be thinking, lunges every day? That sounds like a lot. And yeah, it's going to challenge you. But trust me, the results are worth it. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive into what happens when you commit to 30 days of lunges. Get ready to feel stronger, more powerful, and amazed by what your body can achieve. So what can you expect when you take on the 30-day lunge challenge? This challenge is designed to push your limits and help you achieve new fitness goals. First off, get ready to feel your legs working. Each lunge will activate your muscles, making you stronger with every rep. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, building strength and definition. You'll notice your legs becoming more toned and powerful. But it's not just about your legs. Lunges are a full-body workout. Lunges also engage your core, improving your balance and stability. A strong core is essential for overall fitness and can help prevent injuries. This means you'll feel stronger in everything you do, from everyday activities to more intense workouts. Whether you're running, lifting, or just moving through your day, lunges will enhance your performance. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership to do lunges. They're accessible to everyone. You can do them anywhere, anytime, making them super convenient for busy schedules. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even at the office, you can fit lunges into your day. Are you ready to feel the burn and see the incredible changes in your body? Let's do this. Embrace the challenge and transform your fitness journey. We all know that starting a new fitness routine can be tough. Life gets busy, motivation fades, and it's easy to fall off track. But here's the thing about lunges. They're simple, quick, and you can do them anywhere. No more excuses about not having enough time or the right equipment. With lunges, you can squeeze in a workout whenever you have a few minutes to spare. And remember, consistency is key. Doing a little bit each day is better than trying to do too much at once and burning out. So, set a realistic goal, stay consistent, and watch as those small daily efforts add up to big results. Section 4. Your lunge journey, day by day. This section is dedicated to helping you master lunges, one of the most effective exercises for building lower body strength and stability. So, let's break down what your daily lunge routine might look like. Consistency is key, and having a structured plan can make all the difference in your progress. Start with a simple bodyweight lunge, focusing on proper form. This foundational move is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing effectiveness. Keep your upper body straight, core engaged, and lower your body until your front knee is directly above your ankle. Pay attention to your alignment to ensure you're getting the most out of each rep. As you get stronger, you can start to increase the number of reps or sets you do. Gradually challenging yourself will help you build endurance and strength over time. You can also try variations like walking lunges, reverse lunges, or even adding weight for an extra challenge. These variations can target different muscle groups and keep your routine interesting. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to take rest days when you need them. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, allowing your muscles to repair and grow. Remember, this is your journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you. Track your progress, set realistic goals, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Every step forward is a step towards a stronger, healthier you. Section 5. 30 days later, a new you. After 30 days of consistent lunges, you will notice a significant transformation in your body. You're going to be amazed by the changes you see and feel. The mirror will reflect a stronger, more confident you. Your legs will be stronger and more toned, showcasing the hard work you've put in. You'll have better balance and stability, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. And you'll have conquered a 30-day challenge, a testament to your dedication and perseverance, proving to yourself just how strong and determined you are. This victory is not just physical, but also mental, but the benefits go beyond the physical. Regular exercise, especially a focused routine like this, even something as simple as lunges, can boost your mood, reduce stress, and bring a sense of joy to your daily life. It can improve your overall well-being, making you feel more relaxed and at peace. You might even find that the discipline and consistency you've developed during this challenge spill over into other areas of your life, helping you stay organized and focused. It's amazing how achieving a fitness goal can boost your confidence, making you feel unstoppable. and inspire you to go after other things you thought were out of reach. This journey is just the beginning of a new, empowered you. Section 6 lunges, your secret weapon to a stronger you. So there you have it. The 30-day lunge challenge is a simple yet powerful way to transform your body and mind. It's a testament to the fact that you don't need complex routines or expensive equipment to see incredible results. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Share your fitness goals with us. Let's motivate and support each other on this journey to a healthier, stronger us.